Thank you, Mr. Chairman. My name is Gallego Stone. I'm a resident of North Providence now, but I was born in Burrillville, lived here for 46 years. And I was co-chairman of Burrillville's first comprehensive planning committee. And I'm glad to see one of my old colleagues up there, Mike McQuaid. He can vouch for my sanity. In the limited amount of time I got, what I'd like to do is take you through a brief tour of 13 documents I'd like to submit. And really, I think what I want to do is concentrate on the document that has to do with the OSP process. To begin with, what I have here is page 13 from chapter 8 of the comprehensive plan. And the first bullet point down there says, the Clear River area provides habitat for a number of state-listed rare plants and animals. In fact, one of the state's most rare freshwater turtles has been known to inhabit Clear River and has been found in the town's drainage property. The turtle referenced is the wood turtle. And up above, in the text, 2 paragraphs above, it says, there are no federally endangered or federally threatened species in Burrillville. That is strictly true. However, attached to this document here, I have a copy of the Federal Register dated September 18th, 2015, noting that the wood turtle has been taken under consideration by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service for protection under the Endangered Species Act. So that on any given day, we may discover that indeed we do have a federally protected species in the Clear River Valley and in all the tributary streams to it. Next, I have a piece of testimony that was submitted to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service by an authoritative turtle people. This is testimony given to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service by the wood turtle, the Northeast Wood Turtle Working Group. This organization is a group of professional herpetologists. They study reptiles and turtles. The signatures, okay, just a Lenson authority here. Michael T. Jones, PhD, University of Massachusetts Amherst, co-chair, Northeast Partners, what is that? Thomas B. Akre, PhD, Smithsonian Conservation Biology Institute, co-chair of the Wood Turtle Project, Elizabeth Wiley, PhD, Antioch University, New England, President, American Turtle Observatory, Paul Sievert, PhD, University of Massachusetts Amherst. And among the working group agency members are all the New England departments of wildlife and fisheries, except Rhode Island, because in 2007 we dismantled the Natural Heritage Program, which when we compiled our first comprehensive plan in the early 90s, they were essential in helping us with the conservation aspects of that. A little information about the wood turtle. ESS Group, their environmental survey of the site, they listed 22 bird species. They identified one of them as state threatened. But attached to this, I have the Rhode Island species of greatest conservation need from the 2015 Wildlife Action Plan. And among did I say 22? Among the 26 bird species that were identified on the site by ESS, 8 of them are species of greatest conservation concern in Rhode Island, not just the one that they cited. I have a map showing the project site bordering the George Washington Forest, which is contiguous with the Durfee Hill Wildlife Management Area, with the Narragansett Council Boy Scout Reservation, with the Port Connecticut State Forest, with the Buck Hill Wildlife Management Area, and with the Douglas State Forest, nearly 15,000 state protected acres. And here, my last document is from the files of the Ocean State Power Project, Final Environmental Impact Statement. This is the testimony of Rhode Island DEM wildlife biologist Chris Rado, who is still employed by DEM. He says, among other things, on the basis of what I know of these sites I have listed, this seems, and he's talking about the same piece of land where this power plant is going to be built, that's 700 acres of pipeline company-owned land. On the basis of what I know of these sites I have listed, this seems by far the most inappropriate location for a power plant. And I do not have the time to quote the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service to the same conclusion. My time is up.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.